Hello everybody, and I do appreciate you joining me. We're going to discuss my new pocket pistol, my new tiny calibered little guy, and it is a Beretta with a funny little mag release right there in the handle. But it's an old metal gun, so the mag pretty much just falls out. Check it out, boink. So that's a plus. It's a little bit thick on top, and right now I'm using gold dot spear, and these sons of bitches are $2 a piece in California. Anyway, this is going to be a one-time buy, and we're just going to load up at the range and test out one mag. If it runs, it runs. Anyway, so here's the gun, and it is pretty hefty feeling in your hand, but it's pretty tiny. Notice it's got front and back serrations. That's pretty cool. The sights are kind of cheesy. The rear is dove, kind of a dovetail sights, which you can't do anything with, and the front one is milled into the barrel. So yeah, it's a little stiff. Oh yeah, the safety. It's a little stiff racking, but you don't have to do it. It's actually a double action, single action pistol, meaning it's a direct blowback design. You can check the chamber also by popping this little lever. I think that's the gimmick. That's the selling point of this gun, although I bought it for a lot of different reasons. Yeah, it feels pretty heavy. I don't know, for a little gun, it does feel a little thick to me, but it feels good. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love it. It feels really good in my hands. Again, there's no room for my pinky, but hey, that's to be expected with a pocket rocket, ain't it? Well, what else can we say about this thing that hasn't been said in other videos? Again, it's a double single action, so, once the first shot goes off, it'll re-rack itself. Here's the reset. The reset is pretty decent. It's not bad. The trigger is pretty good. The double pull is, oh my God, it's really heavy. It's long and heavy. But that's also positive. You can carry this with the round in the chamber in your pocket without a holster. I mean, I would carry it just locked, safety locked, round in the chamber. And if you do, and when you do draw it, you'll just have to double pull it, take it off safety and double pull it. To take it apart is probably the simplest firearm I had to deal with. Just pop back the barrel and the slide comes right off. To put it back on, it's just as simple. Just line up the little grooves, push it down. Yep, there it is. Put the barrel back, test it, it fires. There it is. Rack it, fires, good enough. So yeah, this is pretty simple to take apart. And again, when you pop the barrel out, that gives you a chance to check the chamber without actually racking this gun. The gun is made supposedly for people with arthritis and weak hands in general, so you don't have to re-rack it. But look, it's got an external safety, and I think it's a pretty well-polished gun. Stainless slide and barrel. I mean, yeah, and I think it's pretty safe to carry even without a holster, just locked with the round in the chamber. Yeah, I wouldn't cock it, but I would definitely carry it locked and chambered. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration, and I'm super excited to shoot it. So do me a favor, subscribe, give me a thumb up, and stay tuned for me testing it out in the desert. Bye.